What's up guys, it's Russell again, just doing another review. This time it's Falcon stocks. So I first came across this company maybe a year ago, and apparently they've been doing this for about 16 years, which is crazy. When I first saw the landing page for Falcon stocks, though, I was kind of put off. So it's kind of not that nice a website. It's kind of tacky looking. I kept seeing all these like gains 300%. 168% they're advertising, and usually when I come across pages like this I just kind of move on. With Falcon though, one of my friends in our Facebook group mentioned that he'd been trading this well, and I figured it was worth checking out a little bit more, so I've written a review on it and I'll leave a link to that review in the description below. But basically this is a husband and wife team. This is them here. Let me see what their names are again, I've forgotten. Let's have a look. So this is the review. So yeah, so Shane and Marie, husband and wife team. Apparently they worked on Wall Street for a while. It's hard to verify any of that, but if it's true then that's a pretty strong track record, right? Because a lot of these people, they just end up, 19-year-olds out of their basements thinking that they can trade and starting alert services and stuff. So if these guys really did work on Wall Street, then it's a really cool background to have. So anyway, so what do they do? Well, they are swing traders. So basically if you sign up for Falcon stocks, you get a single stock pick every week. Typically it's a 1 to 3 day hold. They're usually really low cost stocks, under $5 a share, and there's none of this like OTC crap. They're usually on the New York Exchange or the Nasdaq. So the nice thing is, because these are not exactly, it's not exactly a huge group or anything, so you don't get this spike when they send out their alert. It's very much just like a genuine non-pump and dump type of service, which is something I really like because it gives me time to buy in if I miss the alert. So yeah, so every Tuesday they release one stock pick. This is the format they release it in. So for example, this will be the newest pick. They'll put VISL, they'll give like a brief overview, and then some prices for targets, so 250 to 3, short term, long term kind of thing. So really simple. So if you're looking for a service that delivers like really high quality, high winning percent stock picks, then Falcon might be for you. But remember, you just get one a week, so it comes out on Tuesdays. So these are some of their previous picks, going through them. You can go and check out the review for some of these more details if you want to back test their results. But here's the thing, they don't actually give a stop loss. They give price targets, but they don't really give a stop loss. So what I've been doing is using just about like a 10% stop loss on these things, which, it's about average for when I do these swing trades. So, like I said, my friend John basically tested this out for the last few months. I've done some of their trades, but he had done quite a few more. So it's actually him that got me to check out this service. So here is a table, hope you can see this, which shows some of his results. So he's put the ticker on the left here, and then the date. So this was really his January results, because they're once a week, right? So the 5th, the 11th. So these are swings. He held for 1 or 2 days here. So how many shares he bought, it's not that relevant, and his entry price, and what prices he was in and out. So for January, he basically didn't lose. Break even, 1.56%, 10%, 34%, 20% and 16%. So this got me interested because it's quite a decent winning rate. But they certainly aren't these 100, 200, 300% gains that are advertised on the penny stocks website. Average peak gain is 168%, which I haven't seen yet. Not necessarily does it mean that it doesn't happen, but you have to bear in mind that the market is also terrible at the time when I'm writing this review. So here's one that I did, Comms. It would have been a nice winner, except you don't get any guidance from them, and I kind of piked as soon as it started to tank in the bad market, so I actually lost money on it. But it was a winning stock overall. The idea here was it would fill to this gap, and it had a really bad day in here somewhere, so I sold for a small loss. But if you'd held, it did spike up within a few days and reach their initial profit targets, so that was pretty cool. So for me, this service is good, especially just one stock alert on a Tuesday, it's really good. The price is unbeatable, so the price is only $159 for a year. So for a decent stock pick every week, that's pretty good. They are high quality picks. I think I'll do another review of this service in a few months when the market seems a bit more stable, because these are swing trades like overnight, and you know what it's like. The market just kind of tanks overnight and these things go down with it. So I guess that's the overview of the service. I'll try and keep up on it as time goes on, because I really do think there's a lot of potential in this service. It's just any sort of swing or overnight holds at the moment are pretty difficult. So if you enjoyed this review, come and check out our Facebook group where we discuss all these different services, and you have real subscribers checking out like the different services that they're in and giving real opinions. So I'll leave a link to that Facebook group below, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend. Cheers.